Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to create another Roblox account easily. Whether you want to have a fresh start or just want multiple accounts for different purposes, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Open the app and sign into your current account if you aren't logged in already. Step 2. Once you're logged in, tap the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner. This will open the menu where you can access different settings and options. Step 3. Scroll down in the menu and tap Switch Account. This will allow you to switch between accounts or add a new one. Step 4. Next, tap on Add Account. This option will let you add a completely new Roblox account. Step 5. Now, tap on Create New Account. This will begin the process of creating a new Roblox account from scratch. Step 6. Enter your details. Fill in the required fields, including your birthday, username, and password. Make sure your username is unique and something you'll remember. Step 7. Complete the registration by following the prompts. Roblox will guide you through the final steps of the sign-up process, and once you're done, your new account will be ready to use. And that's all it takes to create a new Roblox account. You can now switch between your accounts anytime you like. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.